Good morning, students. Today we solve the some important questions based on various types of sets. Yesterday we discussed about various types of sets and their examples. Today we solve some questions based on various types of sets. Okay, means problems solve based on various types of sets. Okay, now take a question. Which of the following sets are empty set? Are empty sets. Okay, options are x a is equal to x such that x square minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is rational number. Okay, second one, b is equal to x such that x is an even prime number. Even prime number. Third set is given c is equal to x such that 4 less than x less than 5 and x belong natural number. And last one, d is equal to x such that x square is equal to 25 and x is an odd integer. Odd integer. Okay, this is the questions. Which of the following sets are empty sets? Now solve it. Now take first question. Here the given set is a x such that x square minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is a rational number. We know that there is no any rational number. We know that there is no any rational number whose square is 3. Whose square is 3. So x square minus 3 is equal to 0 is not satisfied by any rational number. Hence we can say that a is an empty set. That is, a is an empty set. This is your answer. We find out which of the following sets are empty sets. So here a is empty set because of there is no any rational number whose square is 3. So the condition x square minus 3 is equal to 0 does not satisfy by any rational number. So a is an empty set. Now take second questions b. The given set is b is equal to x such that x is an even prime number. We know that 2 is the only we know that 2 is the only even prime number, that is b is equal to 2. We know that na 2 is the only even prime number, so b is not an empty set. So b is not an empty set. Okay, similarly we take third questions. Here the given question c is equal to x such that 4 less than x less than 5 comma x belongs natural number. According to statement, it is clear that there is no any natural number lies between 4 and 5. So C is an empty set. C is an empty set because of there is no any natural number lies between 4 and 5. So C is an empty set. Okay. Now we take third question, last question. Last question is given that x such that x square is equal to 25 and x is an odd integer. Okay. Since x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 5 are satisfy the given condition, that is 5 square is 25 minus 5 square is also equal to 25. Okay, so the required set is minus 5 and 5. So D is not an empty set, that is D is not an empty set. Okay, so dear students, you can solve all the questions of NCERT exercise based on this topic. Okay, now we take some another question. Question is find the pairs of equal sets from the following sets. Find the pairs of equal sets from the following sets and giving reasons. The set A is equal to 0, set B is equal to x such that x is greater than 15 and x is less than 5. Set C is equal to x such that x minus 5 is equal to 0. Set D is equal to x such that x square is equal to 25. The set E is equal to x such that x is an integral positive root. X is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the questions. And find the pairs of equal sets. And you know that yesterday I discussed about equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of A is a member of B and every element of B is a member of A. Then two sets are said to be equal set. Now check, find the here we find the pairs of equal sets from the following sets. Now check it. Solution. We have the set A is equal to 0, set B is equal to x such that x is greater than 5 and x less than 5. Here there is no any value of x which is greater than 15 and less than 5. So it is an example of empty set. This is 5. Okay. Now we take third set C, which is given x such that x minus 5 is equal to 0. There is only one condition, which is 5. In such a way 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So it is equal to 5 na. Now we take fourth set D, which is given by x such that x square is equal to 25. Here two condition is valid for this set, minus 5 and plus 5. Minus 5 and plus 5. Now third set E is equal to, here set E is equal to x such that x is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0 na. So first of all we factorize the equation. Since x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0, after solving it, x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x is common, x minus 5, and here plus 3 is common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. That is x minus 5, x plus 3 is equal to all the possible values of x is plus 5 and minus 3. But here x is an integral positive root of the equation this. So this set is equal to E is equal to, only we take positive integral root 5. So after solving all the sets, we observe that C contains one element 5 and E contain also, which is 5 is the member of C and also 5 is the member of E. So C and E are equal sets from the following sets. So it is clear that C and E are equal sets, that is C is equal to E. This is answer. So dear students, you solved all the questions of NCERT exercise based on various types of sets in this way. Okay, thank you.